At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a Zazzle store can be an exciting venture, especially if you have a creative flair and enjoy designing various products. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Familiarize yourself with Zazzle's platform and its offerings. Identify your niche or target market. Consider what types of products you want to sell and who your ideal customers are. Research trends, competitors, and popular designs within your chosen niche. 2. Create a Zazzle account. Visit the Zazzle website and sign up for a seller account. It's free to join. Complete your profile information and verify your email address. 3. Design your products. Use graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva to create your designs. Alternatively, you can use Zazzle's design tool. Ensure your designs are high quality and unique to stand out from the competition. Experiment with different product types such as apparel, accessories, home decor, stationery, etc. 4. Set up your store. Navigate to the Sell on Zazzle section and click on Start Selling. Customize your store by adding a store name, logo, and banner. Make sure it reflects your brand identity. Organize your products into categories to make it easy for customers to browse. 5. Upload your designs. Upload your designs to the Zazzle platform. Make sure to follow their guidelines for image resolution, size, and file format. Write compelling product descriptions and titles that accurately describe your items and include relevant keywords for search engine optimization, SEO. 6. Set pricing and royalties. Determine the pricing for your products. Consider factors like material costs, production expenses, and desired profit margins. Choose your royalty rate, which is the percentage of the sale price that you'll earn for each product sold. Zazzle offers a base royalty rate that you can adjust. 7. Promote your store. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter to showcase your products and drive traffic to your Zazzle store. Consider running targeted ads to reach potential customers interested in your niche. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, hosting giveaways, and sharing behind-the-scenes content. 8. Monitor performance and iterate. Keep track of your store's performance metrics, such as sales, traffic, and customer feedback. Analyze what's working well and what could be improved. Make adjustments to your product offerings, pricing, or marketing strategies accordingly. Stay updated on trends and continuously refresh your designs to keep your store relevant and appealing to customers. Starting a Zazzle store requires creativity, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to changes in the market. With dedication and effort, you can build a successful online business selling your unique designs. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.